NuvaPure is marketed as a wellness supplement that claims to support overall health, boost energy, and improve daily well-being through a blend of vitamins, minerals, or natural ingredients. The marketing makes it sound like an easy way to feel healthier, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, dietary supplements can help fill nutritional gaps for some people. However, they aren't a replacement for a balanced diet, regular exercise, or appropriate medical care. What it does well, convenient daily supplement. It's easy to incorporate into your everyday wellness routine. May provide nutritional support. Depending on the ingredients, it may help supplement vitamins, minerals, or other nutrients. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle health solution. No supplement can guarantee dramatic improvements in energy, immunity, or overall health. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have research behind them, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers all of its advertised benefits. Results vary between individuals. Age, diet, lifestyle, and existing health conditions all influence how someone responds to a supplement. So, should you buy NuvaPure? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for general nutritional support. If you're trying to supplement a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to dramatically transform your health on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.